What?
So Tracy, it's been a long time coming. You're patient, and we're here. This is Reed. Reed was the head carpenter, and he helped design the entire van. So please, Reed, you do the honor, sir.
Oh, well. Put me on the spot. Well, yeah, this is a beautiful van. Trust me, it's great. It's one of my favorites. I think the whole crew would agree it turned out really well. So we're excited to show you your new van. So here we go.
I'm gonna cry. What?
Everything turned out great. Kathleen and Tracy really put it together very well. They worked really well together, and the outcome,
We did it.
they did it.
Smell like an RV. Oh my god.
Cheers. Absolutely. Cheers.
Awesome job. Oh.
Speechless?
I'm speechless, actually.
Better than what you thought?
It really is.
Thank you. That's what I thought.
It really is. Wow. Thank you so much, everyone at the Drifter team. I couldn't have asked for a more perfect van. I absolutely love it. I can tell all of the love and hard work that went into it. It's stunning. It's perfect. I'm beside myself. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So everything just turned out great. The team was really excited to see them today. They should be proud of what they did.
Yeah.
It really turned out amazing.
Very much so. Teamwork.
But really, I did all the work?
No, really, I did.
Okay, I'll give some credit.
He's like, how many times are you gonna do this? I said, till I get it right.
Yeah. I think you got it right. I think you got it right this time.